And a huge development coming in when it comes to the Supreme Court hearing over Article 370, the abrogation of Article 370. Now, when it comes to the speeches of National Conference MP Mohammad Akbar Loan, the Supreme Court has asked for an affidavit from Akbar Loan. Supreme Court has said that Loan must give an affidavit where he accepts the constitution and sovereignty of India, as well as Jammu and Kashmir being an integral part of India. The Supreme Court has sought that affidavit till Tuesday. It has given time till Tuesday for that affidavit. So that pitch also coming in when it comes to the entire debate surrounding the abrogation of Article 370. Remember, the Kashmiri parties have always flirted with separatism politics, ladies and gentlemen, and many Kashmiri parties like the PDP and the National Conference have made multiple statements where they refer to India as a foreign nation. But this is where the Supreme Court has come in, saying that if you want to stay within the ambit of the Indian Constitution, pledge your allegiance to the Indian Constitution, the sovereignty of India, as well as to the fact that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. Supreme Court putting that ball in the National Conference's court, giving time till Tuesday to this National Conference MP to give that affidavit pledging allegiance to the Union of India. Making that pitch is what the Supreme Court has put out there as the hearings continue over the abrogation of Article 370. That pitch coming in from the Supreme Court as it's hearing the constitutionality of the abrogation of Article 370, saying that the National Conference MP should pledge his allegiance to the Constitution of India, the sovereignty of India, and the fact that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of the Union of India. I'm joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar on the broadcast. Ananya, give us the details.
So yes, Akbar Loan is somebody who had given out certain speeches with regards to, in fact, the slogans of Pakistan Zindabad as well. And now the topmost court of the country has, in fact, given out a very big direction, clearly asking him to, place on an affidavit that he is, in fact, he accepts the Constitution of India and the sovereignty of India, and also the fact that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. The affidavit has to be filed till Tuesday. In fact, senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who is arguing for this petitioner, who is in fact the main petitioner in this particular case with regards to, the various and the batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the abrogation of Article 370. In fact, Mr. Sibal too said that if at all Akbar Loan does not give this particular affidavit, he will not be representing Mr. Loan in this particular case. Now, Mr. Sibal is currently giving a rebuttal to the submissions that have been made by the various respondents, including the central government, which is constantly defending this particular abrogation. And very, very clearly, Mr. Sibal has today, while giving out his argument, has said that there cannot be no plebiscite in the state of J&K. That's our position. We stand with India. The accession was meant to make J&K an integral part of India. We wanted India to be a democracy. That's why Sardar Patel and Menon convinced princely states to sign a merger agreement, except for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. J&K never signed a merger agreement, and that's the reason why that is what Mr. Sibal is currently arguing before the top of the country. Remember that almost this particular hearing is about to end either today or in the next 1 or 2 days, because the rebuttal submissions are going on, and this crucial hearing, which has continued for over 15 days now, is almost about to come to a particular end. Ashman.
Right. Thank you, Ananya, for getting us that piece of breaking news.